Good morning, students. Today, before going to further, we are going to discuss a test for protein. How can we test the protein? Okay. So, you know well, egg consists two parts, egg white and egg yellow. Egg yellow is the rich source of fats and egg white is the source of the proteins. Egg white is the source of proteins. Got it? Now take a test tube and put 2 drops, but first put some water and shake it. Put some egg white and take some water and shake it well. Now add 2 drops of the caustic sulfate, 2 drops sulfate and caustic soda. These are the reagent, the material which do the reaction, which takes place in the reaction are known as reagent. Which one? Number 1 copper sulfate and second one are the caustic soda. And now shake it well and put this test tube for a while. When we put it, after some time, we will observe its color change to the violet. Its color change to the violet. The violet color showing the presence of the protein. Got it? So now students, we are going to discuss vitamins. Vitamins are required in very small quantity, but they are essential for our proper functioning of our body. These are essential for proper functioning of our body. The deficiency of vitamins along with the minerals, vitamin and minerals both, they protect us from a number of the diseases. Just like nowadays there is a corona, and during corona all the persons are using vitamin C. Vitamin C, citrus fruits, sour fruits, orange, lemon, like this. Orange juice, lemon juice. Got it? So, because the vitamins and minerals protect us from a number of diseases, so these are known as protective foods. Vitamins and minerals are known as protective foods. Deficiency of vitamin causes a number of diseases. What kind of the vitamins? Right now, look here. Number 1, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, A, B, C, D, E and K. A, B, C, D, E and K. These are the basically 6 kind of the vitamins. Now vitamin A. Vitamin A is especially obtained from the colored food items. Colored food items, papaya, radish, chili, right? Now quickly we discuss the various kinds of the vitamin and their sources and their function. Number 1, vitamin A. Vitamin E sources green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables, carrot, milk, papaya, butter, egg, cod liver oil. Cod liver oil, a kind of fish oil that is known as cod liver oil. Along with these, chili, radish are also good source of the vitamin A. And its deficiency causes a disease known as night blindness. Night blindness. Its function keeps our eyes and skin healthy and it is necessary for our normal growth. Now vitamin B. Vitamin B is not a single vitamin, it is a complex of a number of vitamins. There are different sources from different components, different compounds. And vitamin B, you know well, there is mouth ulcer. Mouth ulcer, छाले जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं. So, it is vitamin B complex. It is essential for our growth and development. Now vitamin C. Vitamin C, citrus fruits. Sources, citrus fruits, green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables, source of all kind of the vitamins. Almost all kind of the vitamins. Amla, tomato, water, chestnut, and it provides us strength to our body and help to fight a number of diseases. Vitamin C help to fight with our body with a number of diseases. It means we can say it provides immunity. It makes our immune system stronger. Now vitamin D. Vitamin D is also known as sunshine vitamin. What we call it? Sunshine vitamin. Sunlight, milk, egg, butter, cod liver oil, green leafy vegetables are the source of vitamin D. It helps in absorbing calcium and it is essential for the formation of our bones and teeth. Calcium is very essential. In deficiency of the calcium, in deficiency of vitamin D, our body unable to absorb calcium from the food, and its deficiency also causes deficiency of calcium, and deficiency of calcium makes our bones weaker, weak bones, bending bones. This disease is known as rickets, weak bones. Next one, vitamin E. Vitamin E sources egg yolk, milk, nuts, seeds, butter. It protects red blood cells and help in preventing the destruction of vitamin A and vitamin C. It helps to preventing destruction of vitamin A and vitamin C. The alcoholic persons generally suffer from the vitamin C deficiency. Next one, green leafy vitamin K. Vitamin K sources green leafy vegetables, green vegetables like the cauliflower, spinach, cabbage, soybean oil. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting. In the absence of vitamin D, vitamin K or deficiency, the bleeding do not stop in our body. It is continuously bleeding.